In this video, we'll show you how to change the default Google account on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. Now here you will need to tap on manage accounts. Now here, as you can see, I have multiple Google accounts added on my phone, but by default my Android phone will always select this particular account as the default one. So it will use it for Play Store, Google app, or just about any other service I use. Now Android doesn't give you an option to change the default account when you tap on it. So the only way to change your default account is to first remove all the secondary accounts that you have. So for instance, if I want to set this particular account as the default one, I need to go ahead and remove all the other accounts. So I can simply tap remove and then hit remove to confirm. Once I've removed all the account except for the one I want to use as default, my Android phone will always use that particular account as the default account. After that, I can add my secondary Google accounts back if I want. So I know it takes a bit of work if you have multiple accounts, but this is the only way. You first need to remove all the secondary Google account, and the account that's left is set as the default account automatically. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.